right, what you're looking at here is a 42-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan. This fan replaced one of the Holiday Builders in my apartment slash dorm. As you can see, this is the newer version of the Armitage. This is like the Armitage 2 basically, because the Armitage 1, the original one, looked more of like the Hunter low profile knockoff basically. But this is the Armitage 2 because as you can tell, the blade brackets and the motor housing are different. You can tell this fan is reversible from white to blonde blades on the top. I can't get up there unless if I stand on something. I don't know if now you can see it right there. And there is the Harbor Breeze logo. Yeah, you can tell there's another side of the blades. And overall, this fan is one of the lowest end Harbor Breezes by far. Just to tell you, this is probably one of the worst Harbor Breezes I tested, to say the least. But I mean, it's not the worst fan of all time. Still somewhat usable. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get this fan started off low. This fan is not very quiet. I can give you that. It hums very loud and it keeps me up at night when using it. Only except for on low. Low speed, I can feel something. Very slight, gentle breeze. But it's not like it doesn't do anything, but I mean, it's a cheap fan. What do you expect? It's not going to be the greatest. And I already can hear a little bit of a bearing noise too. Which is not a very good sign. This fan's only a few months old, which really speaks a lot about the quality of this thing. And medium, this is when it starts getting annoying. And let me tell you, this thing is very, very noisy, as expected. Pretty loud, very, very cheap. To be honest, I had more. This fan, it's not like it's not moving any air. I can feel some more air, but it's just very noisy. So I don't really like it for that specific reason. But I mean, you get what you pay for, basically. So, anyways, let's go high. And high speed, it's pretty loud. But it is moving some air. And also, the chain fob that clips onto the very bottom, that clip gave away and it came off. Which speaks a lot about the quality. To be honest, this fan really went downhill in quality compared to before. When they first started out with the second gen of the Armitage, it wasn't this bad. This is really, really bad because these fobs were a lot thicker and they didn't have that clip. They just set right there and they were thicker. But I mean, this thing is a joke in terms of holding up. I can feel the air. Yeah, that is it with the Harbor Breeze Armitage. Thank you for watching, and a lot more to come. We'll see you on the next video.